In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook in laptop. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to download Facebook on your laptop, the Facebook app, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type store to search for the Microsoft Store. Once you've done that, you should see Microsoft Store come up underneath Best Match. Go ahead and give that a click to open up the Microsoft Store, and once you've got the store opened, come up to the search box at the top, and all you want to do is go ahead and type Facebook and then search for Facebook. So as you can see, Facebook is here. All you want to do is give it a click to go to the app page. Now I've already got mine installed, so the blue button says open, but for yourself it's going to say get or install. So what you want to do is click to install, and once that's done you can click the open button to open up Facebook on your laptop. At this point, all you need to do is enter your login details, click onto login, and that's going to go ahead, log you into Facebook, and you'll be able to use Facebook on your laptop. So that's how to download Facebook in laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.